You can narrow your search results by using filters. In our Memorial Hall example, you will want to click on the filters icon at the top of the page. From here, you will have options to filter by sites, collections, firms and people, type of object, site address, project number, date, or thesaurus term. You can further narrow your search by filtering for related sites. For example, if you were looking for a land survey that relates to Memorial Hall and the Science Center, you can select Science Center from the Sites filter. When you click on Sites and scroll down to Science Center, you will see that there are 3 objects that connect Memorial Hall to the Science Center. Clicking on Science Center, you will find in the results a site plan, a water utility map, and a land survey. The results display basic information such as title of the object number, date, the firm that created it, and the sites that the drawing relates to, which lists 5 related sites. When we open the object record by clicking on the title, you will have more information to help you determine if this particular item will be helpful. If you are unsure what type of item you are looking at, in this case, a land survey, you will find this information by looking at the genre or map series, which both indicated that it is indeed a land survey. Also note that in the initial search results, this item indicated that there are 5 sites related to the item. However, you can see in the details of the object record that there are actually 7 sites related to the object. Since the initial search results only give limited information, it is a good idea to look at the details of the record. To narrow down your search by a specific collection type, you can filter your search by clicking on Collections in the Filter menu. This will break down your search by collection type: architectural and technical drawings, deeds, maps, surveys and infrastructure, photographs, and related project documentation. Staying with the Memorial Hall search, we can click on architectural and technical drawings. This narrows down our search to 278 drawings. With this many drawings, you may wish to filter your results even further. If you know the firm that created the drawings, you can filter by the firm name by clicking on Firms and People in the Filter menu. As you can see, there are 13 firms noted as having architectural and technical drawings related to Memorial Hall. Note the number in parentheses indicates the number of drawings associated with the firm. Further, you can filter by Harvard project number. Clicking on a project number will give you all the Memorial Hall architectural and technical drawings associated with that project. Additionally, you can narrow your search down by date. We can filter our search results of 278 drawings by date range. Under the Filter tab, scroll down to Date and expand the section by clicking on the plus icon. There are a couple different ways to select dates. You can use the slider to select the start and end dates for your search. Or more easily, you can highlight the pre-existing dates and type in the dates you need. If you're not entirely sure of the exact year of the drawings you are looking for, or you have an estimate, it is always a good idea to expand your search by plus or minus 5 years. For example, if you think the drawings you are looking for are from about 1990, and you limited your search by typing 1990 into the date range field and click Submit, you will not find any results. You can clear your date search by clicking on the X gray box located at the top of the page. As you can see, we still have our 278 results from Memorial Hall of architectural and technical drawings. Select Filters again. Scroll down to Date and expand the Date section. This time we will expand our date by 5 years before 1990 and 5 years after 1990 by typing 1985 and 1995 in the Dates field and select Submit. Here we have 52 results for the time range filter. A quick glance of our results show that the drawings appear to be from 1994, and 1995, and they seem to be from the same project number, FAS 1993-020. Additionally, we can look at our filters under project number and see that all the drawings are in fact from that same FAS 1993-020 project. Finally, we can filter by thesaurus term. Going back to the filter menu and expanding the thesaurus section, you will get a list of terms associated with your search results. The number next to each term indicates the number of drawings associated with that term. Clicking on any of these terms will lead you to the results related to that specific term. If at any time you cannot find what you're looking for, feel free to email the PERC. We are here to help.